living with dry skin. Revitalize your skin with REFRESHEN Microdermabrasion, combating dry skin. Dry skin, though not as common as other skin conditions, does require special attention to maintain its health and vitality. Exfoliate twice a day and keep your dry skin moisturized. It is necessary to use a super premium moisturize at least twice a day, with 3 or 4 times a day application if you can manage it being even more effective. Most of us can only manage twice a day moisturizing if we work, because moisturizer is best applied after cleansing and before makeup. See our blog, Elevate Your Face Care Routine. Start your skincare routine by cleansing your face twice a day with our super premium face wash, followed by rinsing thoroughly with warm water. Complete the process by rinsing with cold tap water to help close the pores. Next, moisturize your face with a super premium moisturizer and allow it 10 minutes for it to absorb before applying makeup. For most individuals with dry skin, our sensitive skin microdermabrasion formula is highly effective. Incorporate microdermabrasion into your routine once a day to gently exfoliate and renew the skin's surface. Sensitive dry skin requires extra care due to its delicate nature, but with the right approach, your skin will thank you with a radiant, healthy glow. It is important to note that you should never exfoliate over existing dermatological conditions such as rosacea or eczema, as that will greatly exacerbate these conditions. Embrace the power of REFRESHEN products to combat dry skin and unveil a smoother, more radiant complexion.